I'm going to show you how to make these sick-ass teardrop tips. This is probably a little bit more exaggerated than most care for, but this is legit. So I'm going to show you how to make one of these happen. So let me get set up and we can do that. Mandrel 90 in whatever size you want. So this is a 3-inch mandrel bent 90. And then pretty much you're going to cut across like so. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the lines that you're kind of looking for, and then I'll show you what you need to be drawing out. So we went ahead, got our design here, kind of what we're going for. Might modify it a wee bit. So I'm going to go ahead and just take the old cutoff wheel without the guard, because safety first. We're going to get it chopped up. So let's watch. There it is. Alright, and then if you had any luck, this is what you end up with. So, looks pretty sweet. And yeah, so good luck on making yours. I'm going to go put this on my car. So let's do that. Alright, so it's going to be coming out somewhere around here, so we'll figure out where we're going to go. To the GoPro. Alright, so that's kind of what we're looking at. Something of this nature. So, should look pretty neat. And we're like pretty close in here where you can see what's going on or not. But pretty much pretty close. So I just need to make that little piece right there and then give it a little tack welds and we'll be good to go. So let's just do that. So I already went ahead and welded one. Now we got to get this other one welded up. So line these up and then give it a tack weld, and then I'm probably going to go test fit it and then make sure it's good. If it's good, then we'll go ahead and full weld it. So let's do that. Alright, so there it is, got it welded up. So now let's go ahead and slide her in. Alright, so we have made this concoction. I made a template and then put it onto here, and this is what we're going to use. So let's just go ahead and get the center cut out here, and then we'll cut out the outside. So let's do that. Oh, there it is, guys. That thing's pretty fucking sweet. So this guy's not in there yet. It's going to get painted. Actually, I don't even think I'll be able to use truck bed liner. It probably won't hold up. Huh? No, heat-wise, I don't know if that would hold up. Who knows? We'll wait to find out. We'll figure it out. It's gonna get painted black, basically. At least, there is no ugly-ass welds on the inside. Not really. Looks good. But, yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.